Here I have HUAWEI P Smart, and let me show you how to activate this device. So let me show you how to go through the initializing setup process on the following smartphone. So at the very beginning, let's start by choosing your desired language. In my case, it could be English. Let's choose your region, for example, United States in my case. Alright, now you can also choose emergency and make some emergency calls if you need something. If not, let's tap cancel. You can change some vision settings such as the font size, magnification gesture and other stuff. Let's go back. Let's tap next. You can insert SIM card, but you may also activate your device without the SIM card. So in my case, let me do it that way. For now, choose skip. Let me agree to terms and conditions right here. Tap agree. Let me also agree to the following service permissions such as the Wi-Fi and the weather service. So let me agree to all. Here you can connect your device to a Wi-Fi. It's not necessary, but the internet access enables you some interesting features, so I usually recommend having some Wi-Fi connection. Let me choose my Wi-Fi. My Wi-Fi is open, so I don't need to input any password. Now my device is connected, so let's choose next. The phone is looking for any available updates. The phone is checking info, and here you can sign in into the Google account. So you can do it in two ways. You can create a new account by using that blue link or use an existing one. Of course, you may also tap skip and go next without any Google account, but I also recommend having some Google account connections. It will enable some options. So let me enter my email. Alright, tap next. So here you need to enter your password. Let me do it. Alright, so I just input my password. Let me choose next here. Let me agree to the following terms of service and privacy policy. The device is getting account information. Let's wait a few seconds. Here we've got some Google service that you can enable or disable. For example, backup to Google Drive, help apps find your location, improve location accuracy, and send system data to help improve your Android experience. So in my case, let me leave all of these features enabled. Tap agree. Here you can protect your device by choosing some screen lock styles and other stuff. Let me do it later in settings. You can check out how to do it by using our other videos. Tap skip anyway. Here you have to decide either you would like to use some copy from your other phones such as iPhone or other Android device, or you can choose the fresh start by choosing setup as a new. Here you may also connect to HUAWEI ID. You can even create a new account right here, but in my case let me choose skip. I don't need it. You can also choose data transfer from the phone clone or from the backup from the cloud. Let me tap skip in my case. Tap OK, set up as a new device. That's what I need. Tap not now to the cloud information. Alright. Here we've got the fingerprint information. Let me also tap next. You can check out on our other videos how to add the fingerprint to your device. Tap skip right here. Let's choose get started, and as you can see right now the home screen just pops up, so it means that everything went well. You can start using your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.